Richard Curry is the new colonel of Accompong after he won Thursday's election. The new Maroon colonel is promising to defend the interests of the sovereign Maroon state. Codian Barrett reports.
A Maroon displays the purple ink on his finger for our camera. He is among hundreds who voted on Thursday to decide the next colonel of Accompong. When the votes were counted, Richard Curry came out on top. Curry secured 681 votes. The closest of the other four candidates was the outgoing Colonel Ferron Williams, who got 400 votes. We caught up with Richard Curry. He said the Accompong Maroons must defend the cockpit country, the historical lands at the center of ongoing controversy.
The treaty speaks to the outlining of the borders of the cockpits, and what we now know today as home has been reconstructed as cockpit country. And for me, if someone comes to dig up your backyard and you have no idea about it, how would you feel?
Over 2,530 Maroons were registered to vote. However, the voters were scattered all over Jamaica. So to accommodate them, 9 polling stations were set up across 3 parishes. 7 polling stations were used in St. Elizabeth, while 1 each was in Kingston and St. James. In the end, though, voter turnout was just below 50%. The voters outlined the issues that they want the new colonel to fix.
We need better road than with the Panda road over 40 years and a few yesterday. No change. If you pass on a bad rock, you will go over a gully if you don't skip. We need somebody who can take up through up here.
We have a home of spring just circle around the area. And the community don't have any water. See a big tank down at the center, then right now it's empty.
And while many of the voters made their choice public, they were quick to stress the need for unity after the election.
All of us unite together and come as one, because some people in this are dealing with stupidness. So every man for unite together when this done. When this done tomorrow, if you call to me, I may call to you tomorrow. Now call to you and I call to me to what? Over what? No man, this is for you all away, Maroon.
From what we observed, most of the election activities were in keeping with the COVID-19 safety measures. Persons wore their mask and regularly sanitized once they came in contact with other persons or the election's high traffic areas. Codian Barrett, TVJ News.